AQTF 2010 were some changes that were introduced to us as training organisations within the vet sector earlier this year. I think as far as the AQTF goes, the journey from 2003 to 2007 to 2010 has been a very interesting one, and those of us that have been involved in training or doing similar things for quite a while is, as we all know, a wheel keeps turning round and round. AQTF 2003 was very regimented, very documented, and you had to have all of these explicit and specific things for audit. And then we had the 12 standards that we had to abide by, and then all of a sudden AQTF 2007 had 3. Excellent, very outcomes based, very interpretable. I was going to say loose, but interpretable is a great word. Interpretable is a perfect word. So I think when I've had a bit of opportunity to have a good look at 2007, 2007 is nowhere near 2003, but it is, 2010 is nowhere near 2003, but it's also a little tighter than 2007. So I think we do need to have a little bit of direction. We do need to have a little bit of guidance. I do think that the tide is turning with auditing and the auditing process, and the best way to make that happen is for us to understand it as RTOs, as educators, as facilitators, as trainers, to have an understanding of the whole situation ourselves. So our next presenter, or the next section of our day, is having a good look at the AQTF 2010. I've managed to source somebody from Defeast that is quite good to listen to and has a real lot of knowledge as a involvement in AQTF. Angela Castle is her name. You may or may not know her. She's currently working in the Quality and Tertiary Education Policy Director, I think they call it QTEP now, as a Senior Project Officer. Angela's main job is actually to go out to RTOs and speak to them about the auditing process and talk to them about best practice. She is a member of the auditing team and spends a lot of time with both internal and external auditors. So I think it's beneficial to have her answer 10 questions in 10 minutes.